Hi everyone, I'm going to review this microwave from General Electric. The model is JEI2560SPSS 25-liter GE. Let's start the review. First, I will unbox the item. I want to recycle this string. That's why I'm not going to use the scissors. I give up. Going to cut it. Alright. Okay. I'm going to open it. Here we go. Okay, so this is how it is packaged. It's packed this way. It's styro and plastic and styro. Let's remove the styro. Remove the styro. It says here, warning, microwave energy. Do not remove this cover. Not this one. Dry plastic. Okay. I'm gonna remove it from the box. It's finally out from the box. This is how it looks. Okay, you have some plastic parts where you can put the wire. Okay, you have the wire here, and you have the ground. The ground is here, and then let's go around. Looks like this. It has a digital timer. It has power, time and cook, time, defrost, D1, D2, D3. So you can do meat, poultry and seafood, auto defrost, and you can do the timing. You have the clock, express, start, cancel, memory preset. So that's about it. Now let's see. You can open this one. Oh, so when you open it, you see plenty of stuff. You have the guide, the warranty booklet. You have the use and care manual. Ooh. So the plastic part we saw earlier, it has some use. This is for what? Okay. Fold the clamp in direction arrow to improve the cooling effect before the oven start. What does that mean? Okay. So what do we do with this one? Okay, and then I wonder what this is for. Oh, the cooling effect. So this is the thing that will stop the oven to touch the wall. So it needs this amount of distance so that this will have its proper cooling. Next. What else do we have? Microwave grill combination cookbook. Oh, it comes with a cookbook. Okay, there's a small slip. Oh, you can even cook stuff. Okay, so there you have it. Microwave grill combination cookbook by General Electric. Imagination at work. Okay, what else is inside? Ooh. So you have the bottom part. How do I remove it? There you go. Remove it. You remove the how do you call this? I don't know, turntable. So put it there. You see this? It has to get in there like that. There. And you have to remove this. You also have to remove this. You also have to remove this. It is quite big inside. See that? So it's really spacious and it's all stainless and looks clean. The buttons, I think they're sensitive enough. Okay, we can try to see after we have successfully placed some put the power on, and let's see how it works. Back to the power cable. Let's do this. Move it. Move the sticker or the tape, I mean. So our wall plug is 220 volts. Okay. We're going to officially start the model JEI2560SPSS. This is a cold startup of GE Industrial Consumer Appliance Microwave. Oh, there. As soon as we plugged it, the time appeared. Now we need to remove these things more. I don't know why they were there in the first place. But remove them and let's try start. Oh, it won't start. Oh, power. Okay. Okay. Now I don't know why it's not starting. What does that mean? What does that mean? Okay, set. Oh, that's the icon for auto defrost, time defrost, time cook, and then you can choose different options for the meat, poultry, and seafood. Then go back to clock. It won't. Express. So we have 15 seconds now. Let's start. There. Starting to go round and round and round. Then when it's done, let's hear the sound. Okay, very simple. It's very similar with others. No problem. Yeah. So we got this. This is 25 liters. It's quite big. So you can put probably even a turkey, maybe half of a turkey. But now we will need to use it. Then we will tell you what it is or how it is after we have used it for a while. Okay. Thank you for watching. This was a really practical review for our new microwave. I hope it doesn't break. It comes with 1 year warranty. We bought it from a popular mall in the Philippines, and hopefully I can study the manual. And eventually be able to cook something. Okay, so power consumption 220 volts, output 900 watts, operation frequency 2450 megahertz, and so it's a turntable system, approximately 13.9 kilograms. So let me just show you what I'm talking. That's what it is. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you soon. Please like and subscribe if you think I was able to show you this microwave. Recommended. So I found how I can set the time. First, press the clock. Press cancel, then it resets, then put the time. Then press clock again. Done. That's how you set the time.